Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we learned to install Wireshark on a Linux Mint 21 system. Before starting with the installation of this tool on Linux Mint 21, we would first like to share with you what this tool basically does. Wireshark in fact is a network packet analyzer. It is used to analyze whatever traffic is flowing through your network. For example, you are trying to log into a website while Wireshark is running in the background on your system. So as soon as you will enter the password and ID for that website on your system, your password and ID will instantly be captured by Wireshark along with all the other network traffic, all the data that will flow through your network while you are surfing the internet. So now, before starting with the installation of Wireshark on our system, we would like to talk a little bit about the prerequisites of this method. So you would need an up and running Linux Mint 21 server along with sudo privileges for running the different commands of this method. So now, without any further exaggerations, we would like to move directly onto the installation of Wireshark on our system. So first we'll begin with the updation of our system that can be done with the sudo apt update command. If you're running this command for the first time on your system on this session, then you would be asked to enter the sudo password of your system, after which the update process will begin. Otherwise, it will simply begin without asking you for that password if you have run this command previously. It'll take a few seconds for the updation process to complete on your system. So now you can see that our system is fully updated, so we can easily run the installation command on our system. I'm just running the clear command to make the screen a little bit more clearer. So now to install Wireshark on our system, we will run the sudo apt install Wireshark command. During the installation of Wireshark, you will be asked to provide further confirmation, that is whether you would like to carry on with this procedure or not. For carrying on with this process, you would enter the Y key and then press the enter key to proceed further. Again, it will take a minute or so for the installation of Wireshark to complete on your system, so you'll have to wait a little bit patiently. The installation time can also vary depending upon your internet speed. So if you have a good internet connection, then it will take less than a minute for Wireshark to install on your Linux Mint 21 system. Just a few more seconds are left for the installation to complete. Whenever you try to install software on your Linux Mint 21 system in particular, or any other operating system in general, lots of other packages are also installed along with that main package, because of which it takes a little long than the expected time for the installation to complete. Your system also has to resolve some dependency issues. It has to, at times it has to remove the unwanted packages from your system. Only then the intended software or tool will work perfectly well on your system. So all this takes place during the installation procedure. There's a slight issue with my internet at the moment, because of which it's taking too long to install it. Otherwise, normally Wireshark takes around a minute or so to get installed. Okay, so during the installation, you will also be asked a question about allowing the non-super users to capture packets. You should ideally select the no option for this, because otherwise the non-super users will also be able to access all the passwords and IDs of your system. So the no option is selected by default. You just have to press the enter key, as I'm doing right now. So now you can see that the installation of Wireshark has finished on our system. I'll just clear the screen. And to confirm whether Wireshark has successfully been installed on your system or not, you should ideally check the version of Wireshark installed on your system. This can be done with the Wireshark -- version command. So when you will execute this command, the version of Wireshark installed on your system will appear on the terminal. You can see that the version that we have managed to install is 3.6.2. Now you would want to launch Wireshark on your system, so you can simply run the Wireshark command to do it. It'll take a little while for the interface to load completely. So now you can see that this is how the interface of Wireshark tool looks like. Here you're provided with all the different options that you can use to analyze the network traffic. And if you are a new user and you would like some sort of help to get started with it, then you can just click on the user guide. So once you are done using Wireshark, you can simply close this window. Now if you want to uninstall Wireshark from your Linux Mint 21 system, you just need to run this command. When you will execute this command, it will not only remove Wireshark from your system, but also all the associated packages that got installed along with it during the installation procedure. Again, you will have to provide confirmation by pressing the Y key. This command will take a few seconds to uninstall Wireshark completely from your system. You can see that this command has finished its execution now, which means that Wireshark is no longer present on our system. We really hope that this tutorial would help you while getting started with Wireshark on your system and using it further. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.